Бұл жаттығу сөйлемдерді жаттап алуға арналған. Әр сөйлемді диктор 2 рет қайталайды. Содан кейін көрерменге сөйлемді өздігінен қайталау үшін уақыт беріледі.
Тренировка состоит из предложений, предназначенных для запоминания. Каждое предложение диктор повторяет дважды, после чего зрителю дается время для самостоятельного повтора.
To know.
To know.
I had known the truth long before the conversation began.
I had known the truth long before the conversation began.
I had not known about the changes before that day.
I had not known about the changes before that day.
Had I known the consequences earlier?
Had I known the consequences earlier?
I have known him for many years.
I have known him for many years.
I have not known the exact answer until now.
I have not known the exact answer until now.
Have I known this rule all along?
Have I known this rule all along?
I will have known the results by tomorrow.
I will have known the results by tomorrow.
I will not have known the details by then.
I will not have known the details by then.
Will I have known the answer by that time?
Will I have known the answer by that time?
You had known about the plan before it was announced.
You had known about the plan before it was announced.
You had not known the reason at that moment.
You had not known the reason at that moment.
Had you known her decision beforehand?
Had you known her decision beforehand?
You have known this fact for a long time.
You have known this fact for a long time.
You have not known how serious it was until today.
You have not known how serious it was until today.
Have you known about this issue before?
Have you known about this issue before?
You will have known the outcome by next week.
You will have known the outcome by next week.
You will not have known the answer by then.
You will not have known the answer by then.
Will you have known the rules by that time?
Will you have known the rules by that time?
He had known the city well before moving there.
He had known the city well before moving there.
He had not known the truth at that point.
He had not known the truth at that point.
Had he known about the risks earlier?
Had he known about the risks earlier?
He has known her since childhood.
He has known her since childhood.
He has not known peace for years.
He has not known peace for years.
Has he known this place before?
Has he known this place before?
He will have known the answer by morning.
He will have known the answer by morning.
He will not have known the full story by then.
He will not have known the full story by then.
Will he have known the truth by that time?
Will he have known the truth by that time?
She had known the answer before anyone asked.
She had known the answer before anyone asked.
She had not known his intentions then.
She had not known his intentions then.
Had she known the rules beforehand?
Had she known the rules beforehand?
She has known success in her career.
She has known success in her career.
She has not known fear until now.
She has not known fear until now.
Has she known this feeling before?
Has she known this feeling before?
She will have known the result by evening.
She will have known the result by evening.
She will not have known the reason by then.
She will not have known the reason by then.
Will she have known the truth by that time?
Will she have known the truth by that time?
It had known better days before the crisis.
It had known better days before the crisis.
It had not known stability before then.
It had not known stability before then.
Had it known any success before that?
Had it known any success before that?
It has known rapid development in recent years.
It has known rapid development in recent years.
It has not known real change until now.
It has not known real change until now.
Has it known such growth before?
Has it known such growth before?
It will have known success by the end of the year.
It will have known success by the end of the year.
It will not have known stability by then.
It will not have known stability by then.
Will it have known improvement by that time?
Will it have known improvement by that time?
We had known each other for years before working together.
We had known each other for years before working together.
We had not known the consequences then.
We had not known the consequences then.
Had we known the risks beforehand?
Had we known the risks beforehand?
We have known great challenges in this project.
We have known great challenges in this project.
We have not known real support until now.
We have not known real support until now.
Have we known this problem before?
Have we known this problem before?
We will have known the answer by tomorrow.
We will have known the answer by tomorrow.
We will not have known the result by then.
We will not have known the result by then.
Will we have known the truth by that time?
Will we have known the truth by that time?
You had known the rules before joining the team.
You had known the rules before joining the team.
You had not known the details at that moment.
You had not known the details at that moment.
Had you known the situation beforehand?
Had you known the situation beforehand?
You have known many difficulties in life.
You have known many difficulties in life.
You have not known such responsibility before.
You have not known such responsibility before.
Have you known this person long?
Have you known this person long?
You will have known the answer by then.
You will have known the answer by then.
You will not have known the outcome by that time.
You will not have known the outcome by that time.
Will you have known the rules by that time?
Will you have known the rules by that time?
They had known the truth long before the trial.
They had known the truth long before the trial.
They had not known the reason then.
They had not known the reason then.
Had they known the consequences earlier?
Had they known the consequences earlier?
They have known great success in business.
They have known great success in business.
They have not known peace for years.
They have not known peace for years.
Have they known this issue before?
Have they known this issue before?
They will have known the result by morning.
They will have known the result by morning.
They will not have known the details by then.
They will not have known the details by then.
Will they have known the truth by that time?
Will they have known the truth by that time?